Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will talk about motorcycle. Well, motorcycle is a most common and useful vehicle, and it has two wheels and runs by an engine, and many people use motorcycle for their daily travel, and motorcycle is popular in cities as well as villages. A motorcycle is um, most a motorcycle is uh, most smallest rather than other vehicles like car, bus, CNG, auto rickshaw, and so on. While motorcycles are not very expensive compared to car, bus, it's very affordable and comfortable, and and people often use motorcycles to go to school, college, market, office, and other places, and they can move easily anywhere, and they can ride on narrow road even though heavy traffic jam. So motorcycle is one of the most famous in my country. There are different kind of motorcycles here, like for example Suzuki motorcycle, Discovery, and Pulsar, R15, TVS, Zara, and so on. So I think most of the people use Discovery bike because it's very comfortable, and it has not too much weight. So that's why most of the people use it, and as well as some young people use Suzuki and other bike because Suzuki is most beautiful bike, uh, and they can enjoy it. So and I think um, motorcycle is not very expensive. That's why a middle class family can easily buy it, and easily buy it, and it's is I think is cost not high, because personally, when I use motorcycle, so I load 1 liter well, so I can run 6 kilometer, 60, sorry, I can run 60 kilometer easily. So I think it's saves our money. Also it saves our valuable time because and everyone can run, everyone can move easily, and they can go fast, and Mm, the mm, the benefits of motorcycle is there are many benefits of motorcycles. First of all, it consume our it consume our valuable money, and sometimes we go to anywhere easily, and sometimes uh, motorcycle use emergency sector, like hospitals and any business place. So and as well as motorcycle use delivery men, like food delivery and other product delivery men use motorcycle because they can use easily and they can move anywhere. And yes, I think it has advantages. It has many advantages of motorcycle. On the other hand, it has some demerits. I think, in my opinion, student about 10 or 19, I mean students who are student, they should not use use motorcycle because it's harmful for their study, so they avoid this. I think when I think we in motorcycle use, you can use for educational purpose, and you can use for business, and you can use for delivery. So otherwise, sometimes motorbike for motorcycle fall accident, because some young people, they can ride very fast, and they fall accident, and sometimes they're dead. And so we should we my advice, we should follow rules, traffic rules, and we should wear helmet, and ride slowly, about around 45 or 50 kilometer fast, so not too much high, too much low. So it's balance, we have to balance, we have to keep balance, we have to keep balance. So um, personally, I follow this instruction, because when I ride motorcycle, so I ride very carefully, and I when I go to Nobiganj and other places, I wear helmet, and I ride carefully, and I follow rules, traffic rules, and so on. So I think everyone should follow rules and regulations, and we should ride carefully. Thank you so much.